Welcome to CSS Cleaning. Maintaining cleanliness in the kitchen is crucial for health and safety, especially in food service establishments like restaurants and cafes. Professional cleaning services, such as those offered by our company CSS Cleaning, play a vital role in ensuring hygienic kitchen environments. Different types of countertop materials require specific cleaning methods to preserve their longevity and aesthetics. Here's our guide on how to clean and care for various countertop materials commonly found in kitchens. Marble is susceptible to acidic cleaners due to its alkaline nature. Use gentle cleaners and soft cloths to avoid scratches. Quartz should not be exposed to acidic cleaners or excessive heat. Even lemon juice should be avoided completely, and avoid placing hot pots or pans directly onto the surface, as over time will lead to discoloring of the surface. Clean with warm water and mild dish soap, avoiding temperatures above 150 degrees. Granite countertops can be cleaned with a mixture of dish soap and warm water. For stubborn stains, use alcohol instead of bleach to prevent dulling. Use a soft cloth to prevent scratching. If you have tile countertops, the same method of cleaning your bathroom tiles will apply. That is, you can freely use your detergent of choice as well as a suitable bleach. Let the solution sit for a while before scrubbing and washing it away. If there are stubborn stains on the grout, you can let the cleaning product sit a little longer to loosen the dirt and grime. Reseal the grout every 2 years to prevent stains, bacteria, and mildew growth. Countertops made from hardwood or butcher block look extremely fancy, but they can be difficult to maintain. To preserve a wooden countertop, use a non-abrasive cleaning solution. You can also make your own by mixing some warm water with distilled white vinegar. Once done, wipe the surface dry with a soft cloth. You can have it professionally sealed, although you can also DIY it with food-grade oil or wax. In case the wood gets scratched or nicked, you can sand the surface and then reapply your preferred sealant. Buff the surface to ensure an even shine. Laminate is compatible with multi-purpose cleaners, but avoid excessive water use to prevent swelling. Wipe dry immediately after rinsing. Use antibacterial sprays for disinfection and avoid acidic or abrasive cleaners. One of the best materials for countertops, especially for frequently used kitchens, is stainless steel. Wash with soap and water, rinse thoroughly, and dry with a soft towel to prevent scratches. Remove stains with hot water and detergent, or a paste of dish soap and baking soda. Little tip: standard glass cleaner works extremely well for cleaning stainless steel and giving an extra shiny finish after buffing with a soft cloth. Last but certainly not least, sealed concrete countertops are extra tough and stain-resistant. Clean with hot water, dish detergent, and a sponge. Dry with a soft cloth. For disinfection, rubbing alcohol is generally preferred over bleach. Spray a mixture of 1 4-cup alcohol and 2 cups water onto the sealed concrete. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, then wipe dry with a soft cloth. Maintaining clean countertops is essential for both safety and appearance. Following these tips will make it easier to keep your kitchen surfaces in excellent condition, whether at home or in a business setting.